Star Traveler. You notice it's raining. I got an umbrella, I ain't worried about it. But yeah, I'm here in Lexington, Kentucky, Lexington Cemetery. One of the biggest up there in this region. Over 7,500 burials here. And, I'm not going to do them all. No. We're going to drive around, see what interesting headstones and crypts and mausoleum here too. So we're going to see that. Alright, so without that further ado, let's get started, and it's starting to rain hard. Alright, so let's get going and get this rainy day tour started. Shall we? Yeah, might as well start here. Walk down this way a little bit. And I mentioned that it's raining. It wasn't raining when I first got here, and I was driving around and see what interesting headstones I can see. Look at that. See, there's one, there's two, and there's three. There's three old crypts down here. Let's go take a look, shall we? There's one. Ferguson. Wow. I don't know who's here. It just says Ferguson. Well, the Ferguson crypt. Yeah, I know this is locked, but let's find out. Yeah, you couldn't get it open anyway. Yeah, that's blocked. Okay, let's check the other one out over here. Oh, this one. Hey, no, you can't get in this one for sure, unless you're a gopher. Right down there, or a snake. But yeah, this one's Johnson. Beautiful looking, old. Can't get in this one either, or at least can't see inside of it. But hey, that's okay. It's an old one. It says Johnson, the Johnson crypt. Ah, two here. Dr. S. Christ, and I guarantee you that's freaking closed. Oh yeah, definitely. See in there. I can't see, but maybe I edit it. I'll be able to see. Alright. Let's go to this one. This has got a cage around it. It's raining. Robertson. And I'm not gonna try it because you know it's shut. It's probably welded. Yeah, these are old crypts right here. Yeah, I'm getting a funny, creepy vibe. Any of you ever seen Return of the Living Dead from 1985? Yeah, I'm getting that same vibe. Feel like someone's gonna grab me on the leg when I come around. It says party time. Yeah. Yeah, this is, always take a look at that. Thomas H. Pendle. Wow, that's a lot of names on there. It is unique. Shape of a pyramid. You got Richard Anna. Dr. Richard Pendle. James Morrison Pendle. Elijah. Esther Morrison, sisters of J. Edmondson, Miss Mary Montgomery. Wow. Man, there's a lot of graves here. Surely a lot of names, so rest in peace to all the Pendle family here. Rest in peace. Yeah, look at this. You got candles and get some Mary. A lot of seashells, candles, and money. A lot of nickels and a lot of dimes and a lot of pennies. Like Henry Connors Payne. It says on that side. And Catherine. Oh, it says Rhine. think it says it on it. Wife of Henry G. Payne. I'm guessing it's Pine. Wow. It says the Payne headstone. You know what? I think I have a dime or a nickel or a penny. Alright, a penny. Roll. And put it right here. Alright. Oh, rest in peace to the Payne family. Oh, look at this. John C. Breckenridge. He's the Vice President of the United States. I guess under Buchanan, I think. That is one big statue. Yeah, oh yeah, he joined the Confederacy too. I think as a Secretary of War for them, I guess. Oh yeah, I don't know how it turned out, didn't we? Right. Well, anyway, rest in peace to John Campbell Cable Breckenridge. Rest in peace. Good sir. Look at this statue. Holding a plate and a bird on her arm. Look, she's from Greek mythology. This is the Merritt headstone. I guess it's the family monument headstone. This cemetery is full of stuff like this, man. I'm telling you, it's just driving around. It took me over an hour just to look around. So yeah, don't know if I hit everything, but I'm gonna try to hit the most interesting things. All right. Rest in peace to the Merritt family, and it's a lovely, lovely statue. Rest in peace. Look at this, the Carter monument. It's Jeffrey Byron, Laura K. Schaffer, and Deborah Allison. Of course, she's born January 1990 to passed away July 10th, 2019. That's neat. This is in memory of our restored daughter, Deborah Allison Carter. I give you this one thought to keep. I am with you still. I do not sleep. I am the thousand winds that blow. I am on the diamond, you on the snow. I am the sunlight on a ripe so grain. I am the gentle autumn rain. When you awaken in the morning hush, I am the sweet uphill rush of quiet birds in climate flight. I am the soft stars that shine at night. Do not think of me as one as gone. I am with you still in each new dawn. It says American Indian prayer. And rest in peace to Deborah Carter. Rest in peace. Oh, this statue. A little kid hugging out for the dawn, I guess, of rain. It's the Wiggins monument. And to be honest, I don't see any Wiggins. Maybe it's just oh, okay, here they are. No, that's not them either. Maybe it's a tribute to them. Oh, here they are right here. Stanley and Nancy. Stanley born in June 14th, 1929. He passed away on March 20th, 1996. And his wife Nancy, they call her Yummy. February 14th, 1936 to September 21st, 2016. This is theirs. Rest in peace to Nancy and Stanley. Rest in peace. Now look at this. Hattie, the devoted and beloved wife of H.D. Hawker, who exchanged mortality for life May 6, 1879, age 29 years. Wow. 29 years old when she passed away. I imagine don't know if they got flowers in there or not. Anyway, rest in peace to Hattie. Rest in peace. Yeah, it's starting to rain harder. Stalk them. Look at this little kid with an umbrella stepping in the water puddles. Or at least it looks like it. Where are they at? Nope. Oh, stalk him. Where are they at? I don't see him anywhere. Okay. Well, whoever this is a cool looking monument. I like it. Alright, rest in peace to the Stockholm family, wherever you are. Rest in peace. Look at this huge monument. That's David. Memory of David Austin Sayre. And his wife, Abby Von Holtzauer. Born November 17, 1798. He died on March 10th, 1871. I think this is them right here. Yeah, that's David. That's Abby. It's a nice big monument. What else we got? Oh. The resurrection of the just shall unfold his character. That must be all their children right there. There's a lot of them. Through unwearied and faithful labor, he acquired a competence by which he magnificently blessed the city of his adoption, the Church of Christ, in which he was a worthy member for nearly half a century of years, and the innocent widow and homeless orphan who shall arise and call him blessed. Wow. There's a lot of names on this monument. He was born in Madison, New Jersey, March 12, 1793. Immigrated to Lexington, Kentucky, May 1811. Died September 11th, 1870. Alright. Alright, rest in peace to David Austin Sayre and all his family. Rest in peace. Look at this. A little boy holding a hat full of birds. This is Emil Fisk, son of Charles H. and Maggie, born in Covington, Kentucky, September 3rd, 1867. Entered into life January. Interred into life February 14th, 1881. His body is laid in this spot at his own request. And rest in peace to Emil. Rest in peace. The National Arborist Association and International Society of Agriculture jointly recognize this significant tree and this bicentennial year as having lived here at the time of the signing of our Constitution. Wow. That tree's been here as old as our country. Look at how big that tree is. Yeah, it's raining. What is this? This is a huge mausoleum. Look how dark it is in there. Hello. Wow. I'm gonna go walk around it. It's like they're restoring some of it. I think this is Henry Clay. I'm not for sure. Well, this is a huge one, isn't it? It's probably the biggest one here. The biggest crypt. Oh, here we go. Alright, dedicated to the Honorable Henry Clay, represented by River Basin Chapter, USD 1812, June 29, 2002. That must be him right there. Henry Clay. It smells like a crypt. It must be his wife over there. Hey, I heard something drop. What the hell is that? Oh, okay. Yeah, rest in peace to Henry Clay. You can probably hear all the rain dropping on my umbrella. Yeah, rest in peace to Henry Clay and all his family and his wife, and it's time to move on. Rest in peace. Wow, it's really coming down. I hope you can hear me. Look at this. Ingram. That is a nice looking monument. It's got flowers at the base of it too. Let's see where they're at. Oh, here they are back here. Ingram, Margaret, William, Maggie, and Isabel. Wow. Well, that's the Ingram's head. Family monument, statue. Alright. Rest in peace to all of the Ingram family. Rest in peace. Hey, we're back at this beginning of the video for right now. The Columbarium. Oh, the door's unlocked. Hey, we go in here, I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to video it. I'm just going to take pictures and then dub it after that, alright? Yeah, we're at the Mausoleum. Let's go inside and see what's in here. Supposed to be David Michael Gibson, Ethel Joe Gibson. David, he called him Gramps. He was born 1939, he passed away in 2020. Ethel Joe Gibson, Mimi, 1939 and 2022, gone from our sight, but never from our hearts. Your kindness, love, and heart will be missed with both of them. Rest in peace to David Ethel Gibson. Rest in peace. This is the ashes of Larry C. Brewer, UK. April 28, 1949 to December 22nd, 2021. Rest in peace to Larry Brewster. And that is a great way to be laid in. Rest in peace, Larry. Look at this. Walter and Catherine, or Walter is called Papa Bear. Born October 31st, 1941. He passed away on August 10th, 2021. Wife Catherine, they call her Crackers. May 10th, 1941 to March 6th, 2016. A lovely statue of representing him and her. It said, all my love always. May rest in peace to Walter and Catherine, or rest in peace to Papa Bear and Crackers. Rest in peace. Well, took some time, but finally found him. Ralph W. Foody and Jan Foody. Ralph, 1928 to 1999, and Jan's from 1935 to 2015. And what makes him so special, he was an actor. If you watch Home Alone and Home Alone 2, remember the little black and white movies that Kevin McAllister was watching? Well, Ralph played Johnny, the one that gave snakes 10 seconds to get off his property. 1, 2, 10, he let him have it. And the second one, he gave it to his girlfriend, who was smooching with his brother. Yeah, so this is the resting place of Ralph W. Foody and his wife Jan. So rest in peace to Ralph and Jan, and thank you, Ralph, for all the movies you did, including Home Alone and Home Alone 2, even though you were just a small part of that movie, but you still were a big part of it. Alright, rest in peace to both Ralph and Jan. Rest in peace.